everyone, welcome to Nan Kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make spring roll. So now let's get started and let's see how easy the recipe is. And for the ingredients, we need ground chicken, bell pepper, onion, carrots, spring onion, egg, salt, black pepper and sesame oil. Of course, don't forget the spring roll sheets. First of all, we need to mix all the ingredients together. So this is ground chicken. This is finely chopped bell pepper. This one also chopped onion. Carrots. And then spring onion. Everything is finely chopped. Okay, so you need a little bit big space to mix all together. And this is one egg and salt, black pepper, and sesame oil to add the flavor. So you need to mix all the ingredients together. If you want to use gloves, you can use the glove as well. Today I will just use this wooden spoon. Just mix properly. Okay, now all the ingredients are mixing well. So now I will just convert it to this plate. And just make sure that you mix all the ingredients throughoutly, just to balance all the flavor. And this egg will bind all the ingredients, so when you fry it, you will notice that all the ingredients are together. So that's enough. I'll just transfer it to this small plate because I'm going to use this plate for the wrapping. Okay, so that's it. And now I'm going to start for the wrapping. So now we will start the wrapping. So first of all, just take one sheet and you will just place it central of the plate, and you will take 1 spoon of mixtures and you will just spread it on the sheet like this. And then you will just take the water. This one I add water with the all-purpose flour. This one, water and all-purpose flour is mixed. So I will use as like a glue or sealing to all the round side of the spring roll. And now I will use, you will start from the left. Then you will make all around side. Okay, so it will seal the spring roll. Alright, then any two side you will just close it. First from here and second from the opposite side. And you will be start rolling from the other side. Okay, I just showing you slowly. Okay, just roll it and that's it. So just press it slightly, so all around the spring roll it will be sealed properly and it will not break out when you are frying. So one is ready. All right, then I will show you one more. Just take the sheet, just place it on the center of the plate, and you will take the 1 spoon of the mixtures, just spread it, and you will take the all-purpose flour, mix with the water, and you will put all 4 sides around. Okay, just put properly so it will seal all around the 4 sides. Okay, from any side you can start. For me, I will start from this side, just half centimeter only, and opposite side. Now I will fold from this side. Just do it equally so all your spring roll will be same size. Yeah, just press it with the finger to seal properly. So that's it. This is the second one. The same method, the same way you will do all the spring roll. You know, it needs to roll out very tightly, otherwise it will become loose. Now all the spring roll is ready. Finish the wrapping. So at least half an hour we will store it in the ref, and after half an hour we will take out and we will fry it. Now time to fry. So I already placed the cooking pot, and I use a smaller size cooking pot because I don't want to waste too much oil. So if you use a smaller pot, you will save more the oil, and the oil should not be very less, so because we need to be in the deep fry. So I already placed the pot and the oil is ready now, so let's start it. Fry. The spring roll should not be overcrowded, otherwise your spring roll will become very stick each other. And I think I will add one more, so that's enough. As you can see, all the spring roll is under the oil, so that's a good enough oil that we put. And time to time you have to rotate it until golden brown. You have to fry it. Yeah, just wait it until it's become fry. As you can see, our spring rolls color is turned into light brown, so it's about to be ready. So just keep rotating it, otherwise the cooking will not be balanced from one side to another side. So that's enough. This color is enough. It means it's ready to remove from the pot. So finally, this is my spring roll is ready. This is the result, and as you can see, is golden brown, and it's very crunchy as well. See, it's very crunchy. So now we can pair with the sweet chili sauce, or any sauce you like to pair, you can pair it. It's very nice. You can try it at home, guys. One secret thing for to get a good spring roll is, once you finish the rolling up, you have to keep at least half an hour in the fridge, so when you fry it, it will not be break out, and the color will be, as you can see, you will get like this kind of golden brown color. It's so crunchy and it's very tasty as well. Instead of the chicken, you can use the cheese or vegetable also, and you can pair with any kind of sauce. It's very tasty. And if you try it at home, please don't forget to write the comment below. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.